presentation skills. So it is all about the presentation skills. So good presentation on any of your online media, whether you're doing live workshops, webinars, you're doing public speaking, being able to present well is key. Giving a very polished performance is key. Getting the information that you need to get across clearly is key. How many keys are in there? There's loads and loads of key points to actually being able to present. Everything nowadays is all online. It's all making that connection with your students or with your potential purchasers. And so the way to do that with lives is through presentation skills. Now, presentation skills take a while to get good at. You're always going to be developing. You're always going to be picking up new tips and tricks along the way, but they are key. So being able to draw you guys in is a massive art. Now, lucky for you, we have a presentation expert, and his name is Simon Raybould, and he's been doing this for years, and he is an industry expert doing this, showing you how to present yourself properly. He's going to be at our conference that we're doing, our Course Creators Energize Conference 2023. Now, we say course creators, but this is really for any business. Anywhere where you're online, where you're showing yourself, whether it's public, whether it's online, these skills are going to be so important and beneficial to you. And he is actually on our conference, and he's going to be taking part and showing you exactly what you need to do to step it up and become a good presenter. So hopefully I'll see you there, and hopefully this little video has helped you. It's all about presenting. See you later, guys. Bye.